Do you invest your money in stock market? No? Then I must say that you should start it as soon as possible and be the part of the global economy. Today we are going to discuss about those top 8 strategies which you should always keep in mind while investing your money in stock market. Hello friends, welcome to Finsbridge Street. Here we discuss about finance and investment and case studies of successful persons. Without wasting time, let's start with strategy number 1. Do not invest in a company that you do not understand. This is the first and basic rule of investment which every investor should follow. By the way, it is difficult to expect every man to understand every company. Despite this, we should try to at least have basic understanding of the company's business, such as what the company does and how it stands in front of its rival companies. Second strategy is do not be emotional with your investment. The worst investment decisions are those that you take on the basis of emotion, or your emotion affect your decision making process, instead of looking at how the companies performed and how fundamental it was. The third strategy is always stick to your investment principle. How much the company will grow depends on important points like the company's expansion plan, revenue growth, market share, value addition in the product. If you find any of these things going wrong after investing, then review immediately. The next point is that you should always keep a variation balanced in the portfolio. Often we find that investors either do not diversify their portfolio or over diversify it. Keeping balance between these two is more important. Keep a balanced, diversified portfolio of risk aversion. The next one is do not blindly follow another portfolio. It is not wrong to look at the successful investor's portfolio, and you can also learn from investment decision in the beginning and simultaneously develop your understanding of investment also. But in the long run, it is dangerous to keep eye on another portfolio or make your call on the call of others' income, because every investor has different factor and plan. Keep your risk taking ability and goals in mind. Moving ahead to the next point, which is very important, do not be afraid to incur losses. It is not a big deal. Everybody at some time take wrong decision in some or the other stock. It is not a big deal. It is a part of our learning process. If you have taken wrong shares and losses are happening, don't be afraid, just get out of it. The next point is do not chase well performing stocks. There are thousands of shares exist in the market and you cannot buy all. There will be at least some such stocks in the market which may return more than your share, and this happen with professional investor also. So keep up with the stock you have, provided they are performing as you expect. The last but not the least, regularly review the investment portfolio. Changes is the truth of this world, which applies to everything. Changes in business model, product, technology, etc. can affect the business in which you have invested money. Therefore, from time to time, you should review your investment portfolio. It balances investment. The list of points for the strategy of stock market is non-exhaustive. The point we have discussed are only the part of that list which every investor should keep in mind while investing. That's all from my side, guys. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.